Welcome to the 7th edition of the National Audio Show at Whittleby Hall in Northamptonshire. It's been a great weekend, some really good feedback from exhibitors and visitors, some amazing technology here this weekend.
Hearing things I've never heard before, so glad that I came.
Yeah, good, enjoying it, nice atmosphere.
The best of it has been truly excellent.
I was here last year and it was excellent, and this is why I'm back again.
Huge diverse range of products.
An enlarged section within the Brooklyn Suite this weekend, showing over 35 top brands of headphones and headphone-related products. And the feedback we've been getting over the weekend from exhibitors and visitors have been really good.
Yeah, some of the sounds very good.
I'm really enjoying it and I'm glad I came.
Yeah, I would recommend it, to be honest.
Definitely a worthwhile place to visit, yeah.
Great weekend, numbers are up in terms of visitors, and we've started taking some bookings for 2016. So yeah, bring on 2016.